After 50, it's completely normal to feel your bones getting a little weaker, but the good news is, you can rebuild their strength naturally. No extreme supplements, no harsh treatments, just simple daily habits that truly work. First, let's talk about nutrition, your bone's best friend. As we age, our bones naturally lose density, so giving them the right nutrients becomes essential. Start by adding calcium-rich foods like yogurt, almonds, sesame seeds, and leafy greens to your daily meals. Calcium is the foundation of strong bones, but it can't work effectively without vitamin D, which helps your body absorb it properly. Try to get at least 15 minutes of sunlight every day. Or include foods such as eggs, salmon, and fortified milk to meet your vitamin D needs. However, calcium and vitamin D aren't the whole story. Magnesium and vitamin K2 play equally vital roles. These nutrients help guide calcium into your bones where it belongs, rather than allowing it to accumulate in your arteries. By maintaining the right balance of these four nutrients, you'll give your bones the best chance to stay strong and resilient well into your later years. Next, let's talk about movement, because your bones grow stronger when you use them. Weight-bearing exercises are one of the most effective ways to rebuild bone density naturally. Activities like walking, dancing, stair climbing, or light resistance training put healthy pressure on your bones, signaling your body to strengthen them. You don't need to spend hours at the gym. Even simple daily movement makes a big difference over time. And if you're new to exercise or haven't been active in a while, start slow. Just 10 minutes a day of gentle activity can begin to improve your bone strength, balance, and overall energy. The key is consistency. Keep moving, and your bones will thank you for it. Don't underestimate the power of protein. It actually makes up nearly half of your bone structure. Many people focus only on calcium, but without enough protein, your bones can become weak and fragile over time. To keep them strong, include clean and natural sources of protein in your daily meals, such as beans, lentils, eggs, and fish. These foods not only support bone repair, but also help maintain muscle mass, which protects your bones from strain and injury. On the other hand, try to cut back on coffee, soda, and other sugary drinks, as too much caffeine and sugar can interfere with calcium absorption and slowly drain essential minerals from your bones. By balancing your protein intake and reducing these habits, you'll give your bones the strength and support they truly need. Another powerful natural booster for bone health is collagen. Collagen is a vital protein found in your bone tissue, giving it structure, flexibility, and strength. However, as we age, our body's natural collagen production starts to slow down, which can lead to weaker bones and joints. To support this process, try adding collagen-rich foods like bone broth to your diet, or consider collagen supplements paired with vitamin C. Vitamin C plays a key role in helping your body produce and repair collagen, making your bones stronger and more resilient over time. By nourishing your body with these natural sources, you can help rebuild bone strength and maintain better mobility as you age. Finally, let us not forget the importance of sleep and stress management when it comes to rebuilding bone strength. Many people don't realize that poor sleep and chronic stress can actually weaken your bones over time. When your body is under constant stress, it produces higher levels of cortisol, a hormone that interferes with bone formation and causes calcium loss. To protect your bones, make relaxation a regular part of your daily routine. Try meditation, gentle yoga, deep breathing, or even a calm evening walk to help lower stress and balance your hormones. Quality sleep is equally essential. It's the time when your body repairs and rebuilds bone tissue. By managing stress and getting enough rest, you create the perfect internal environment for your bones to stay healthy and strong. Rebuilding bone strength after 50 isn't about quick fixes. It's about consistent, mindful choices that support your body every day. With the right nutrition, gentle movement, enough protein, collagen support, and proper rest, your bones can regain strength and vitality naturally. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of yourself. Every small step you take today builds a stronger, more resilient foundation for the years ahead.